Hello, everyone. I am Keith, and welcome to Jack's Math Notebook. As you're looking at this warm day in the desert, we're going to take a look at how we measure degrees. And we measure degrees in degrees Fahrenheit and degrees Celsius. And here are the two formulas that we're going to be working with today. Actually, we use Fahrenheit in the United States. And so if you hear, let's say it's going to be 90 degrees today, that's actually 90 degrees Fahrenheit, while in Australia, if it's about, let's say, 20 degrees Celsius, that's how they measure degrees, or I should say the weather in Australia. So what we're going to do in this video, we're going to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius and then Celsius back to Fahrenheit. And so again, Fahrenheit is equal to 9/5 Celsius or 9/5 C plus 32, while degrees Celsius is equal to 5/9 times the quantity of Fahrenheit minus 32. And so we're going to go to the first example in which we're going to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, and keeping in mind that 9/5 as a fraction is equal to 1.8 or 1 8 tenths as a decimal. And so we're just going to do some simple algebra right here. So we have our Fahrenheit formula, and in order to convert it to Celsius, we're going to take this 32 and subtract it from both sides. Okay, now once we've done that, now we have Fahrenheit minus 32 is equal to 1.8 C. All right, so I'll repeat, Fahrenheit minus 32 is equal to 1.8 C, which is same as saying 9/5 C, but we're going to convert it to a decimal to make the calculations a little more doable. And so we're going to take this 1.8 and we're going to divide both sides by that 1.8 to isolate Celsius. And so now here's what we have right here. We have Celsius now is equal to Fahrenheit minus 32 divided by 1.8. Okay, we can write it this way, or we can convert it back to the fraction that you see right here, in that we have C now is equal to 5/9 times the quantity of Fahrenheit minus 32. Okay, so if you divide by the decimal, you're actually multiplying by the reciprocal of the fraction that you see right here. And so this is how we have our Celsius formula. And so now let's take this Celsius formula and convert it back to Fahrenheit. And so now we have Celsius is equal to 5/9 times the quantity of Fahrenheit minus 32. And all we're going to do in this case, we're going to multiply by the reciprocal of 5/9, which is 9/5. And what does that do? Well, that cancels out the 9/5 right here, just leaving C. Okay. And so now what we have right here, so we have 9/5 C is equal to Fahrenheit minus 32. And so let me go back here and make this correction. So we have 9/5 C on this side, and we have 9/5 right here. This 9 will cancel out with this 9, and this 5 will cancel out with that 5, isolating Fahrenheit minus 32. And so now we have 9/5 C is equal to Fahrenheit minus 32. And all what remains is to add 32 to both sides. And so when we do that, we have this 9/5 Celsius plus 32 is equal to Fahrenheit. And we'll just rewrite it this way, going from left to right. Fahrenheit is equal to 9/5 C plus 32. Okay, you have been given some significant information, and I wouldn't blame you if you need to pause the video to take a look at these examples, or replay this video as many times as you need to gain a deeper understanding of this concept. But in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jack's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.